Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss,
Pratyusa Roy,
author of...
Unseen.
So ma'am, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
I mean, it's great. I'm here from Calcutta,
Right.
and for the first time in Delhi Book Fair, and it's amazing.
Your first time in Delhi Book Fair is you as an author.
I mean, it's overwhelming as well.
Right.
I mean, 6 months back, I haven't even imagined that I will be visiting here as an author. So
Right.
it's great.
Wow, that's wonderful. So something about your book, how do you think it stands out in its theme or genre?
First of all, Unseen is a book where a teenage girl is trying to find what she likes. I think in this genre, a lot of books are where a girl is trying to find a true love through different men.
Right.
But a girl is never trying to find herself or
Right.
what she likes.
Right.
So this book focuses more on what she likes and what she doesn't,
Right.
to be precise.
Right.
So the journey goes through different men and women, but the journey is her journey. So that makes this book special.
So if you had to give some advice to our community of writers, what would that be?
I think procrastination is the worst enemy of a writer. I have been thinking of writing this book since I was in college. I mean, the first chapter I have written in 2017.
Right.
But then I was just like, no, I think I cannot do it. A lot of self-doubt and all of that. So I would say, if you want to be a writer, just write anything. I mean, firstly, you don't have to care about that people will read or not. First, satisfy your needs. If it is satisfying your needs, I think you are good to go. People will resonate with you.
Right. So stay true to yourself and
Yeah.
people will find you out. Right. Thank you so much for sharing
Thank
your
you.
experience
Thank
with
you
us.
very
I
much.
hope you have a wonderful
Yeah.
experience at the book fair.
Same to you. Thank you.
Your jewelry is amazing.